dysfunctional vet. What I'm doing is I'm wiring up a key. This is speaker wire, which I'll be using to make a dipole antenna with, and also an in-fed. And you can see, if I can get my finger right there, that's my soldering paste on the copper braid. I'm going to solder this. I'm going to solder this other one up here to the front. Then I'm going to put some heat shrink over the tubing, crimp it in there to help lock it in a little bit. And then I will be putting the end piece on. We'll be calling that the beginnings of my Morse code key line. This will fit into the radio and then go to the Morse code key.